Hi, and welcome to zipBoard. At zipBoard, we put a lot of emphasis on asynchronous collaboration, but that does not have to be on spreadsheets and team messages only. You can take your content and document collaboration further with annotations. Let's get started. To start adding annotations to existing content, you need to first add content to your project. After clicking on this review button right here, it will open another tab and you will see the annotation and commenting tools on the left side. You can pick any of the tools to start drawing or simply add comments. By default, the annotation tools will be displayed on the left side of your screen, but this review bar is easily draggable. Let us start with our first tool, the rectangle icon. Its name suggests allows you to provide comments on the area of the screen. Some users call it the area tool. To use this one, you can just click on this icon and select any part of the content, click on your mouse and start dragging this rectangle. Once you release that, it will give you the option to add your feedback right here, and you can just click on this add button so it'll be saved. Please also take advantage of the following options by editing this one, deleting the comment, or by changing the opacity right here. Moving on to our next tool is the pencil icon right here. In the pencil icon, we have two options, the pencil mode and the highlight mode. The pencil tool can be used to circle, underline, or even highlight elements within the content. Let us try selecting lines here. Let's try circling on this part. The same functionality with a rectangle icon. It'll give you the option to provide feedback right here. Just so you know, you can actually drag this box right here to any part of this place. Now, the highlight mode is really helpful if a user wants to highlight some image or text here in our content. You can also select the thickness of the highlighter. Let us try this one right here. And let us highlight on this part. So you can see it changed in color, and you can still add comment just like what we have earlier. Now, how is it different with our highlighter right this one? Please note that the highlighter tool can only be used on text. So if you have a PDF and you want to highlight anywhere, I highly recommend using the highlight mode here in the pencil icon. Sometimes you need to point your feedback to a specific element, and for this, we have an arrow tool in zipBoard. So the collaborators never miss your targeted feedback. To use the tool, simply click on this icon right here and drag the cursor wherever you want the arrow to point. Once you release that, it'll again give you the option to provide feedback. At zipBoard, we've introduced an exciting new feature called text annotation. This feature allows you to easily add text to PDF files, enhancing collaboration and feedback. Simply click on the text annotation tool, write your desired text, then click add. You can then drag and reposition the annotation using the cross sign. We offer various formatting options like bold, italics, underline, and different font sizes. You can even customize the text color according to your liking. With the expanded font list, you can choose different styles such as Arial or Calibri and apply strike-through or highlighting for edits. Once you're satisfied, you can save your edits and the annotation will remain in place. We have recently made enhancements to the stamp feature, specifically the check marks, and the zipBoard web app for PDF reviews. When you access a PDF project in zipBoard, you can select the checkmark option. First step let us add a signature. By adding a signature, you can click on this one and upload your desired photo or signature. Once we click on this, let us tap anywhere here on our asset. Now, once we are done with that, we can add now our check mark. For this one, you can simply click on any area of the document to place a check mark. You have the flexibility to resize and reposition anywhere in the document. Now, there are instances that we will give feedback accidentally. No worries, because we do have this eraser icon right here. Now, once we click on this one, and if we hover over your mouse right here, you can see that hand icon. You can simply click on that, and this comment will be removed. Content with multiple collaborators is bound to have numerous valuable feedback. However, they can often impede your view of the content itself. If the comments are blocking the content on your file, then you can easily hide them. Just click on the hide to close all the pop-ups. Don't worry, your feedbacks are still there, and it's just a click away from you. So if you want all the comments back, then click on this unhide, which will make them visible once again. There are times when you just have to take a screenshot. This screenshot tool can be used to capture the screen you are on. Now, if you want to capture the area which is visible in your screen, then click this option. On the screen, it'll show you the visible area with the green border, which indicates that the screenshot has been taken. And from here, you can add annotations and comments to it. When you exit out the screenshot, you can access all of the annotations that you've created via the slideshow mode option. Now that we've provided a lot of contextual feedback and annotations, it's time to look at it from a high-level view. This slideshow function allows you to see all of your screenshots, screen recordings, and comments. You can also add annotations and comments in the slideshow view. At zipBoard, we recognize the importance of responsive sites. This is why you can review your content in the device type you want to review it. In this mode, you will be able to review your content in the multiple available device modes. You can select one right here, and it will show you how it would look like on that particular device. We can exit this mode by clicking on this X button right here. Another thing is that we can set the content status from here as open, approved, rejected, and in progress. The last feature or tool here in our annotation is the toggle disable comments. We can add only annotation without comment using this option. Awesome! Now, once you're done providing feedback, you will see all of the comments or tasks by clicking on this message icon right here. Now, if you want to filter out these comments and you want to see only all of your annotations, you can simply select the author, which is your name, or the source, internal or external.